Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements and getting the emulator files. Do this now so you avoid backtracking. Once downloaded, verify the checksum to ensure integrity and place the package in a dedicated folder so files don't mix. Make a backup of your Steam directory and disable overlays or anti-cheat hooks that conflict. This prevents corruption and simplifies rollback. Then, extract the emulator and run the installer as admin. Follow prompts, but stop before connecting accounts or launching games. Now you configure integration. Point Smart Steam Emu to your Steam installation and each game library path, because correct paths let the emulator launch titles reliably. Once done, set compatibility modes, controller mappings, and performance caps to match your hardware. This balances stability versus frame rate. Make sure to enable detailed logging so you can diagnose issues later and create a system or emulator restore point. After saving settings, run a single lightweight game to validate hooks and confirm the overlay. Finish by launching full sessions one game at a time. You want to observe performance and logs to catch regressions early. If a title fails to start, make sure you revert to the backup and review the emulator log for missing DLLs or blocked hooks. This tells you why it failed. Often the solution is updating the GPU driver, disabling conflicting apps like screen recorders, or reapplying the emulator patch. If problems persist, restore settings from your restore point and retry stepwise to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.